0, 1. I'm assigning it, keeping the sampling procedure. Let's see the indicators which are maintained for this MIC. In this case, it is a summarized recording selected. We make it single. It's not recording. Okay. Continue. Let me remove the extra MICs. Two MICs are there. One is single, another is summarized one. Save it. So to create a manual inspection lot, it is QA01, enter. Here you need to tell the material for which you want to do the inspection, the plant, inspection lot origin. So let me select 89, which is a manual inspection lot or miscellaneous, press enter. Need to tell what is my lot quantity. If I make it say 44, enter. Because with the usage 3, there are two plans which are created. That's why this pop-up is coming. If there is only one plan with the usage 3, then it would have been directly linked. Let me select the second one. Sample size is calculated. You can see because we have specified the sampling procedure, which was fixed. Okay, based on that, my sample size is calculated. Click on save. Now my inspection lot is created and the prefix is 89. Go to the result recording from here also. If I click on results and then press enter key, it will take me to the results. Report QA32, which is an editable report. Okay, just click on execute, then it will give you the list of lots which are created. 89. Material is this, plant is this, quantity 45. It is in the release stage. Now if I click on results, taking you to the transaction QE01. I kept first MIC as a summarized MIC and the second MIC as a single result. It's disabled, first one, MIC, which means I can enter only one value for. I got this result for all. Okay, whether it is accepted or rejected, that is the result for all the 5 pieces. Whereas in the case of single result recording, I have to tell the individual entry. You can see my sample size. That's why the control indicators controls a lot of things, and from there only you are deciding how the system will behave here. Entering the individual entries in this case. It will decide whether the valuation is accepted or not. You can see the valuation was not coming. Here in this case, these are the status. Okay. So MIC status are like here in the first case, it is 5. 5 means processing is completed. In the first MIC, I have entered the result, even the valuation has been added, you can see. So 5 status indicates that all the things has been completed. Whereas in the second case, which is 2, it means processing has been done. Means I have entered the results. If I select this and click on this valuate, okay, at present it is 2 status. Click on valuation, the valuation is coming down here, okay, which is accepted and the status has been changed to 3. 3 means it is valuated. This is the criteria which is there. Parameters we are specifying that in the case of 3 pieces rejected, it will be rejected because my acceptance number was 2. Overall valuation is coming. In the sampling procedure which we have specified, it is we consider non-conformative, right? Let me open this sampling procedure which is there in this. QDV2 enter. Fixed only we are using. Sampling type is fixed. Attributive inspection non-conformative unit is selected in this. My sample size was 5 and the acceptance number is 2 here in this case.
Correct.
That's why the status was 2 only, that valuation was not coming automatically and not evaluated automatically. First, I have done the valuation. Then I have to close the MIC because it is at present open still. Present status is 3. Let me save this. Okay. Refresh it. Okay, at present the status is released and calculated. Let me refresh it. So the status has been changed to inspected and result
Inspection.
recording has been done. Now if I go for the usage decision that I want to take the final decision, still it is giving me this message, you have not completed all the characteristics. Okay, so if you click on this, it is the second MIC, still the status was not 5. Status should always be 5 before we do the usage decision. Okay, otherwise it will give you this information or the post UD message and all. Okay, let me go back. I'm not doing the UD here. Again, going to the results. Was coming because the status of this MIC is still not 5. It should be 5. Let me lock it. So when I click on close, so the MIC is closed. Let me save this and refresh it. Status, of course, is already showing me inspected. But if I go to now the usage decision, that message was not coming, which was coming that the MICs are not inspected, right? Previously, which was coming. Usage decision that you will be telling whether based on the valuation, because here again in this, if any rejected MICs are there, it will be showing you here in the list for the final decision taking part, because all the MICs valuation is accepted. That's why it is not coming. Okay. But still you can check all the characteristics valuation here. If I click on this, it will again take you to the results which we have entered. Here I can enter the valuation that
Accepted.
it is
Yeah.
accepted or rejected. In the usage decision, these catalogs are created. Selecting accepted, press enter key, and then let's save it. Now at present it is inspected and the indicator here is red, right? Let me refresh it. So now it is removed from the list, okay? Because this list is only for the lots whose usage decision is not done. So if I select the third option, select only inspection for, okay? Since I have done the usage decision, all the things has been done. It is the change mode. If you try to go to the result screen, it will give you the error message. Once the UD has been done, you cannot make any changes.